You know I love you, right?
Hey, let me get that girl up off me, my nigga.
Alright, nigga, bet. Go ahead.
What?
I mean, come on, baby. Look at him. Like,
Babe, no.
Like, how many people you done killed?
3.
Hey, what? Are you
The
serious?
nigga killed 3 people, babe. The nigga killed 3 people, babe. Just go with the nigga. Hey, my nigga, look. Just promise me you treat her good.
I got you, nigga.
Her favorite color is red. Favorite movie's a Notebook.
Well, we gonna watch that tonight.
She likes long walks on the beach, my nigga. You feel me?
Oh, okay.
She like it when you hit it from the back, my nigga. But start off slow, then you ease your way into it. Yeah, just like that. But put a little twist in it, my nigga. Put a little thing.
Oh, okay. Got this girl coming over later, ass fat.
For me?
Yup.
Can I use your bathroom?
Yeah, it's upstairs.
What?
Hey, slow down, bitch. I'm trying to get a glance of the booty. My nigga say you got a fat ass. I'm just trying to see this shit. So you gotta slow that shit down, bitch. Like, come on. This is my girlfriend, Brooke.
Hi.
I love her. She like to fuck me, suck me, fuck me. I'm the ice cream, really, nigga.
Who are you?
Oh, hi. I'm just a really nice guy. But who are you, white lady?
Just moved in, actually, like a week ago.
That's amazing.
So.
Hey, you want to invite me inside, perhaps?
Yeah, sure. You can come take a look at the place. Sure.
Perfect.
Where your ass at, dog, with bitches stand deep. Where your ass at, dog, with niggas try to run off. Where your ass at, dog, you made me put his gun out. Where your ass at, dog, you win.
Run that shit, nigga. Yeah, I just got the nigga. Yo, why when people get mad, they always throw their hats on the ground? My girl pregnant again! Not again! Yeah! Why the fuck y'all keep throwing y'all hats? Yeah!
Nah, fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Bitch that hoe might fuck me. Nah, fuck that bitch.
What up, bitch? Hey, man. Where's my mother, father money? Witch? Talking all that sugar. Yeah. All right, stay in school. Ring finger. Big. What's up, officer? How you doing?
One Coke? Dude, I thought you gave up soda.
Yeah, I gave it up. I put it right there.
Let me use the restroom real quick.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about
Shit, come on. I drank the soda. I'm weak. Sprite, just pretend it's Sprite.